To take that. I said,
Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's Galaxy Slime, guys. Yes, I know some of you have seen that LinkyBox Guess the Price video where LinkyBox used Galaxy Slime. But look at it. It doesn't really feel... Oh! Don't stain. Don't stain. If you grab it quick, it does not stain. Oh! Don't stain. Oh! 5-second rule. Ew. It feels like water. It feels like water and like slime combined. Even though this is slime. Look at that. Oh my god.